Yo, what's up everybody? Your TRAVELZON guide here. And we're about to drop into one of the most electric cities on the planet, Berlin. This isn't just another travel guide. This is your VIP pass to the top 10 things. From the echoes of history to the pulse of modern art, Berlin's got it all. We're talking iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and everything in between. So grab your passport, charge your cameras, and dive into the Berlin experience. Let's go. First up, the Brandenburg Gate. This isn't just a pretty arch. It's a living, breathing monument to history. This gate has seen empires rise and fall, walls built and torn down. A powerful symbol of German reunification, a testament to resilience. Walk through the gate. Imagine the ghosts of history beside you. This isn't just sightseeing, it's time travel. Don't just take a picture, capture the energy, the moment. Next, the Berlin Wall Memorial. This isn't a fun stop, but it's essential. Walk along the preserved section. Imagine the lives it tore apart, the families it separated. The memorial forces you to confront the consequences of division. Take your time, reflect, and remember. Let's lighten the mood a bit. Museum Island, a cultural overload in the best way. 5 world-class museums packed with art and artifacts. From ancient Egyptian busts to European masterpieces, there's something for everyone. Dive in and get lost in the world of art and history. Next, the East Side Gallery. It's the longest remaining section of the Berlin Wall, now an open-air art gallery. Over 100 artists from around the world have left their mark, creating a vibrant tapestry of freedom. Walk along the wall, take in the powerful imagery, and feel the energy of creativity. This is where the past speaks to the present, where art becomes a voice for change. Checkpoint. Charlie. This former border crossing was a flashpoint between East and West, a symbol of division and tension. Stand where history unfolded. Imagine soldiers facing each other, the weight of the world on their shoulders. It's a chilling reminder of a not-so-distant past, a testament to the fragility of peace. Reflect on the significance of this place, the lessons we can learn from history. Let's talk architecture. The Berlin Cathedral is stunning. This grand cathedral dominates the skyline. Step inside and be awed by the intricate details and soaring ceilings. Climb to the top for panoramic city views. Need a break from the city buzz? Head to Tiergarten. This massive urban park is the perfect escape, a green lung in the heart of Berlin. Rent a bike, stroll along the paths, have a picnic, or just relax by the lake. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the birds sing, and let the stress melt away. Alexanderplatz, where the city comes alive. A bustling hub of activity, a meeting point for locals and tourists. From the iconic TV tower to the world clock, there's always something to see. Grab a currywurst, people watch, and soak in the energy of this vibrant square. Charlottenburg Palace, a Baroque masterpiece. Explore lavish rooms, admire intricate details, and imagine living like royalty. Stroll through beautiful gardens, get lost in the maze, and escape the city for a while. Last but not least, Potsdamer Platz. Modern Berlin at its finest. Sleek skyscrapers and cutting-edge architecture show the city's evolution. Explore shops, grab a bite, and marvel at the designs. So, there you have it. The top 10 must-do activities in Berlin. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our TRAVELZON guide. From history and culture to art and nature, Berlin has something for everyone. Now get out there and explore. Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video. Peace out.